Hey everyone, welcome to the unboxing and overview of SIGNI macro lens. This is a macro lens with a focal length of about 25mm which can be used with your smartphones to click some really awesome images. Let's open up the box and see what all do you get inside. First up, there's a premium carrying case included in the box which can be used to carry around the lens safely in your backpack. Opening up this case, there are a lot of things inside and let's get to them one by one. First up is the macro lens itself. This lens is made out of very high quality materials and works really well with your smartphones. Next, we also provide a hood for the lens to take better macro shots. You can also find a premium pouch inside the box so that you can carry around the lens safely while you travel. Apart from that, we also provide a microfiber cleaning cloth inside the box so that you can easily clean the lens in case it gets dirty. The next thing inside this carrying case is the universal clip which will be used to attach the lens to your smartphone camera. Last but not the least is the hook which can be used to attach this case to your backpack or something like that. Apart from that, there's some paperwork inside the box which includes a contact card with all our contact information on it. So if you have any queries, feel free to contact us. The remaining paperwork includes an instruction manual and some information about our other products. So those were the box contents. Now let's go ahead and see how to actually use this lens with your smartphones. First up, remove the protective covers of the lens. Next up, take the universal clip and attach the lens to it by rotating the lens in clockwise direction. Now if you want to attach the hood to the lens, then you just need to place it in front of the lens and push it until it fits in place. Once that is done, place the lens in front of the camera module of your smartphone. Now please make sure to align the lens properly with the camera module for best results. Once you follow all these simple steps, you are good to go and you can start shooting some really awesome photos and videos with this lens. This macro lens has an effective focal length of about 25mm which can be used to click some really awesome photos and videos like these over here. So anyway, this is how the SIGNI macro lens works. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.